na rin yung kalik. Parang i-attach mo talaga. Pag nagpupunta kami, nalilimutan namin yan. So, wala kami yan. Yung ano lang, yung face shield, minsan may pangalan naman.
Masarap ka.
Hello! Welcome to ArtsyMed, in this channel where you'll find craft tutorials, journaling, and travel videos. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for supporting ArtsyMed. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make tiger theme ear savers. So let's get on with the tutorial! We'll start by making a pattern. So this is a letter size bond paper. And I'm measuring 2 inches. Oh, sorry, I think I'll use 1.5 inches here by width and 6 inches by length. As I have stated in my previous video, how to make an ear saver, the measurement is 5 inches for small feet and 95 and 6 inches for the standard feet. So I'm making a standard feet ear saver here. Since we are using hard felt fabric for this project, I did not anymore put some allowance. So here I'm just cutting the pattern and then I'm tracing it onto the white paper. So this will serve as my guide when I draw the stripes of the tiger. Well, tiger is one of my favorite animals. So here, you just add some of the stripes in a form of like a squiggle, and you just draw these stripes on the upper part, middle part, and in the lower part. You can look for patterns in the internet or in the web, so you'll have a guide if this is your first time in drawing the tiger stripes. So these are just simple small mountains or triangles, and then I think that's the last one. I put a space in the dual end of the strip about the size of the button that you will use for the ear saver. And I'm just cutting the strip first. And then I will cut the individual stripes. So we've been making ear savers to be donated to frontliners, and so far as of this recording, we have a total of 1,041 ear savers that have been delivered already. So after cutting all the stripes of the tiger, you'll have that, and then you just get your hard yellow felt and you fold it in two about the size of the strip, and then you attach the pattern to the hard felt using the pins. So you'll probably use around 5 or 6 pins to attach the strip to the yellow. You should include the folded part as well. So you'll have 2 strips of yellow felt fabric. So you just cut this yellow felt fabric, and then you also include to cut the folded side as well. So you'll end up with 2 strips of yellow hard felt. After cutting the fabric, you can now remove the pattern by removing the pins, and then here you'll end up with 2 strips of yellow hard felt. Next is we get our tiger stripes pattern, and then we pin them into the black hard felt fabric, or at least in this one you can use the soft felt already, but it is more ideal to use the hard felt for the strip so that it will be more long lasting and can withstand the forces of the mass, especially if it's N95. So after you have attached all the tiger stripes into the black fabric, I'm just cutting this into a smaller strip so that it will be easier to manage cutting all of them. So you just cut each of the stripes. And here are the tiger stripes all cut out already. And then you just remove the pattern paper one by one from all the tiger stripes, and you will end up with a sea of black tiger stripes. The next, you get one strip of the yellow hard felt, and then using the pattern of the paper with the cutout or the negative cutout stripe at the upper right corner, yes, you can use it as a guide, and then you just attach all the black stripes into the strip of yellow hard felt. Make sure that at the two ends of the strip, you will still be able to put your buttons on the two ends. So here I have already measured it, and I'm just adding one more stripe since I think it lacks or there's just no balance. And once you have attached all the black stripes, you will end up with a strip looking like this one with all of those sharp pins. So we just stitch the black stripes into the yellow felt fabric using just a simple running stitch. And I'm using black thread here, 2 strands of thread, and I'm just sewing the whole parts of the black stripe except on the edge, since I'll be sewing it again later on. And then we just add our button. This is a 5 peso coin size button, so I'm just sewing the button there with the yellow embroidery thread, 4 strands of it in total, so that it will be stronger. So I just use 2 rounds of excess to attach the button to the strip. And then you get the other yellow strip of felt fabric. This will serve as a back of the ear saver. This just to look more neat compared to when you use only one felt with all your stitches. So I don't know what you call this type of stitching, but I call this as a interlocking stitch. So you just put through the needle to the loop of your previously created stitch. So I'll just show you here in a more close-up view so that you'll understand. I don't know what's the name. If you know the name of this stitch, please comment down below. And you just continue this stitch all around of the ear saver. So here, this is what it will look like. So now you have an ear saver that is made of felt and tiger theme. So let's test this first. So this is a KN95 mask. So the idea behind is the loop of the strap of the mask will loop into the buttons you've created. This will relieve the pressure
of the back of the ears of our frontliners.
So to use this is size is for standard size N95. So this is my N95 or KN95. So just strap is here, and to use the ear saver, you just have to attach one end of the strap here. And then I'll just turn around. And for the other end, just snap it here. Also to the bottom. And this will give you that fit. So you'll have less strain on your ear.
Parang i-attach mo talaga. Pag nagpupunta kami, nalilimutan namin yun. So wala kami. Yung ano lang, yung face shield, minsan may pangalan naman.
Pasarap ka.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!